Good morning, everybody, or whatever time it is there for you. I came home from my trip to lots of things, lots of hauls to share. And I thought about this is getting embarrassing. But you know what? It's what I do. So I will share them. HSN is pouring in because I went nuts on the scrapbook day they had, or craft day. But I wanted to start with this sweet card from my great good friend Judy McIntyre. Hi, Judy. Look at this. She added material. She's a seamstress to the envelope. Is that not cute? Because she remade one of these gripper pad things for opening jars because she didn't think the other one came out good. I'm like, seriously, Judy, you do not need to do that. I absolutely, Judy, and I'm not just saying this, love these. These are helping the arthritic little fingers to get things open, so I really appreciate it. And then look at this one. Now, this one's not going on a drawer. This one is so pretty. I'm going to put it up somewhere in my kitchen because that is just gorgeous. I mean, this other one is gorgeous, but, you know, what happens at Grandma's stays at Grandma's. I mean, come on, that's me. But look at this card, too. She added the materials, and she shared what the material was for the Pioneer Woman. Judy, you are the most creative. Look at this card, you guys. Is this not gorgeous? Oh, I just love it. It's just so pretty. And then she better outcome. I hope you love them. Of course I do, Judy. And I love the card as well. You did not need to do that. She is such a sweetheart. Such a good friend. I'm blessed. All right. Speaking of Diamond Press was the special of the day. But I also went to Diamond Press site. Let's see what I have in here. This is not from, oh, sure. Anyway, I thought this would be fun with the girls. The dress-up dolls, but I also got these. Cute. I'll leave a link to their shop. It's mydiamondpress.com. So I got these. Oh, no, sorry. No. Abort. Kingston Crafts has their own site as well. Sorry. Hey, Beth that presents Diamond Press is Beth Kingston, so I get the two. I apologize. So I will leave a link to her site. But I've wanted these and kind of debated, and then I got them. Because, you know, it's what I do. So these are paper dolls. Sorry. Little clothes you can put on the dolls. And they are super cute to go on. These are the winter dolls. So they come like that, and then you can die cut them out. And yes, whoever left me the note about you should stamp it, tape the die on top, and then run it through your machine. Thank you. That is a lifesaver. So I don't know why I couldn't figure that out on my own, but, you know, it takes a village. And then these are the spring paper dolls, and I'm sorry I don't remember what I paid, but you can look them up. So there, and then they come with the die cut. And you get little clothes you can add. But like the winter ones, I can add these to these guys. So cute. And then I also got spring embellishment kit. Let's see I have not, sorry, I know, the noise. Ooh, that's pretty. There's like an enamel dots. Look at all the little vellum fruits you get. Cute. You get this. So yeah, they have their own site, and then these cute. Is this the same? Oh my gosh, I didn't realize this came. Yeah, so now I have two. That's okay. They're super cute. You know, I should read details, but I often don't. So that is from Kingston Crafts, and they are also on HSN. Maybe not those things. I got this on, I think it was Amazon. Retro style. Because I build up points from using my Visa. So I think I got this like free or something. I don't remember. Isn't that gorgeous? Love the colors. And it's that copyweight 5x7. Look at that. Love it. So if I can find the link. Oh, look at this bat kitty. Oh my gosh. Pretty vintage colors. Creepy. Happy. It's got it all going on. Look at that. Oh, I love this. This is super cute. Look at her. Oh gosh. Ugh. So yeah, I got that on the Amazon. And this was retro style collage sheets. Be looking for it. Okay. And then, I'm sure you all know Barbara on Chubby Lovey. And now I have way too much Barbara. She showed how she makes, oops, God, I'm sorry, guys. Her, like, papers and stuff glittery without adding glitter. And it's these opaque, what are they called? It's got a grid on the back. What is it called here? After I ripped it up. Holographic sheets. So you just peel this back and put it on top of whatever you want to make look holographic. And it's like, oh, she shows it. So I'll leave a link to her. Hi, Barbara, if you're watching. Oh my gosh, I love watching her channel. Okay, let's see. What else do I have over here? Oh, Unity stamp. I've kind of been really bad. I'm always bad, but I've been really bad lately. So Unity stamps have the cutest. Look at this one. Life is tough, but so are you. Isn't that cute? Now, I don't collect those, but I know a lot of people that do, so that'd be a fun card to make for them. And look at these chickens. Please don't disturb. Mentally on vacation, thriving-ish. Barely afloat, but still looking fabulous. And then you get, they come out. They're red rubber. Oh my God. And then I got this. Look at the cat. They have real snarky kind of, you know, kind of like me. Mood, 99% done with everything. Walking in a winter, why am I here land? Winter got me like, don't let it snow. Not a fan of sweater weather. I don't know. I just, the look on this cat. So cute. And then this little old lady with her cake. You're an eternal sparkle in a mortal disguise. You're just getting warmed up. Old, please. You're not old. You're vintage fabulous. Oh, love those. And then they sent, and I have not opened this yet, a little gift. So it says here, please accept this gift as a thanks for your order. I love her. Every order you place with Unity supports so many families, and we appreciate you very much. So they have a Facebook group. I'll have to join that. Okay, let's see what we got going on. What did they send me? It's so exciting. Oh my gosh. I mean, they sent tags. Look at all this. That's so nice. You know, there's some really nice companies out there still. Look at this. Oh. Bloom where you're planted. Love, love, love it. Be proud of your art. Just love your art. That's right. Just enjoy making it. Well, thank you, Unity. That is so cool. Just little scraps of paper and things. And I have a project ahead of me that I think those will fit right into. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So that's from Unity Stamps Company. You know, I'm your professional enabler, you guys. Okay, gonna have a craft lunch. There it goes. All right, so then my creative time, I am on her. It's spelled SKOOL School Group, and I think it's like $2 a month or something. And Emma, runs it for her company, and I won a competition, and I got her new release. I was so excited. I don't usually win things, so I got all of these beautiful. You get the papers. You get word stamps. I'll show it all in a minute. This die. So let me go ahead and Christmas Gingers Ephemera. I'm going to show this quickly. So these things, I believe, are still available, unless they sold out, which wouldn't surprise me because they're super cute. Oh, look at this Gingy. Oh, my gosh. Crafty Bean Tina says, I'm gonna get rid of a lot of stuff, but I'm not ever getting rid of my gingers. I understand that, Tina. Too cute. Look at this. Oh my gosh, look at him. So yeah, these are so cute. Do you want a quick card? Here you go. Just add these cutie patooties. Oh my gosh, little ornaments. Oh, so cute. I love it. And I'll have it all over the place. Okay, hang on. I gotta put this back in there. I'm ending up. I haven't unpacked yet. The place is a mess. But I'm easing into my day, you know. It's cloudy and a little cool here. So it is what it is, right? I placed an order on Walmart.com. I'll just pick up my groceries. I'm getting, the weekends are so crowded in there. It's like, I'll just put it in there. It's so nice. Now, I used to do Safeway, our local store, but then they got my number mixed up with somebody else. And when I order, it's not under my name, and they don't let me have it. And they haven't been able to fix it. So it's like, okay, fine. I'll go to Walmart then. Whatever. So there's that. Look at this. Okay, let's go through the paper really quick. And now she's doing 6x8 paper, which I love. That's awesome. And they are not gummed. They come in. This is called Rustic Christmas 2025. So I'll leave a link. I got a lot of links to leave, don't I? Hopefully that helps you guys. I don't know. But anyway, to her site, her shop. So this shows, and they are the glossy, but boy, oh, even this has, even the cover has a nice on the other side. That's a good touch. I like it. It's not shiny, but you know, glossy. Look at this one. Oh my gosh. Have you guys gotten into Christmas in July? I have not really. I've been doing more Halloween. I have another picket fence coming in, and I ordered another order that's coming soon. I can't not do it. I'm sorry, but the deals are just unbelievable. They're still doing 75% off. So, oh, look at this. But, you know, they don't have everything I love. I also love my creative time. Not to take away from Emma, because she's got some great products. You know, I've loved her over the years. Oh, look. This is so precious. And they're little tiny gingies. I love that. I have to get... Ooh, and then star cookies. 1, 2, 3. You get 4 of each design, which is awesome, so then you don't have to hoard it. Ooh, this is a good background one. Oh, I like that. Kind of an alpine type look. What do we got here? Oh, and I think we're back at the beginning. Perfect. All right. And then in that, her new release is this medium double bow die. Of course, I'll be making that up. And I also, in this, Emma, thank you so much for this giveaway. That was so sweet of you. And this is the small double die, and it's got the scallops. Oh, and then I love this treat box and button. Love button dies. And then look at this one. This is gorgeous. Ginger tree. So this comes out like with a white outline, like a gingerbread. You get all these little hearts, and then these go on here. So for your peppermints. I am always in awe of people that can design stuff. I would not think of all of this. This is just unbelievable. I mean, look at all the thought and creativity that goes, and those buttons can be used anytime. Well, so can the box, but oh my gosh. Look at a little tiny gingy star in a tree. I love this. Emma, you outdid yourself on this one. And then there are little sayings. Happy holidays, cozy holiday wishes from your secret Santa. Oh, I used to do that at work. Gingerbread kisses, and then the matching. So this is cozy holiday wishes stamps and dies. And there's the number if you're looking for it. Wishing you a Merry Christmas. Believe in the magic of Christmas. Happy holidays to the sweetest person I know. Oh, that's nice. Have a sweet Christmas. May your holidays be merry and bright. Merry Christmas from our home to yours. I can never use those, but anyway. A little treat for someone sweet. And oh, good. So look at the little December 25th and then the tiny to and from. Perfect. Gingerbread hugs and candy kisses. Wow. Very, very cool. But on the day or the weekend or whenever she releases, I think it was Thursday of last week and Friday, you get 15% off if you use one of her creators' codes. So I try to spread the wealth and use different creators. And so I went in and got some things that were on clearance or on sale and different. And Melissa from Mo's Creations. Thank you, Melissa, for your she's one of the many good creators. Christine is on there. Jill Norwood has been, but she's not been around. She's busy with family issues, so hopefully she's doing okay. But Melissa had shared belly band dies. So I was able to get this, and it was down to like $4 or something. So here you get all these shapes, even if you don't put it on the belly band. But she shared how she used it. And they're stitched hearts, stitch label, and then just a plain of each. So thank you, Melissa. Try to remember. I gotta write all this down. And then cute bubble cover die. You know me and my circles, so I got that. And then this is fancy treat box. And these were all, so I got 15 off even though they were already on clearance. And then I found this one. This one is called, what is it? Crafty Friend. You get the dies. And then you also get cute. Hi there, sending you happy thoughts, Crafty Friend. I mean, I need this. You guys are my crafty friends, right? Hello, friend. Missing you, Crafty Friend. Happy birthday. I miss you. Thinking of you. Happy birthday, Crafty Friend. I thought, oh, well, that's perfect. And I believe I already have this, but just in case I can't find it, I got this. Was on clearance as well, I believe. I don't. You'll have to go. I'll leave a link to her shop, and you can check out what you want there. Even when it's not the weekend of the release, you can still then put in one of the creators' names and get 10% off. So it's not limited to. It's just a little bit more when she's doing a new release. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at that green. Perfect for Christmas. Look at that purple. Let's get crafty. My favorite thing to get is get crafty. Let's get crafty. Isn't that cute? So I thought I might as well get it. Hey, Crafty Friend, over and over. Cute. Look at that red. Rainbows. Cute. I probably should have done just her shop because I have so much from her, but... And then it repeats. So that is what I ordered on top of what I won from her. Okay. I think that's it for this. But don't worry. There's more coming. All right, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.